Hello and welcome to the grammar class. Today we will be discussing the most confusing topic, homophones, homographs and homonyms. Don't they all sound similar? Watch this video till the end and you will understand all the three terms used here, homophones, homographs and homonyms. Let me give you a small introduction. In written English, it is important to know the correct spelling of a word you want to use. You cannot write and when you actually mean aunt, even though they sound the same. But in spoken English, spelling is less important, but pronunciation is. Let's talk about the word BOW, which can be pronounced as bow when you are referring to the weapon that is shown here, or it could be pronounced as bow in case when you mean to bend your body or incline the head in salutation or to show respect. Bow, bow. Though the spellings are same here and here in and aunt, almost the pronunciation is same. As these words cause a lot of confusion, it's well worth to spend a few minutes to know the difference between homophones, homonyms and homographs. So let's see how does it work out. First let's take homophones. The word homophones comes from the Greek word homo, which means same, and phone means voice. Homophones are the words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. They sound the same but they have different spelling as well as different meaning. Okay, now let's take few example. These almost sound the similar. Like when you say blue, it refers to the color blue. But when I say blue, it means it is the past tense of blow. That means to blow or to inflate something. Okay. When you say band, it means musical band or a flat thin strip used to tie something or used to decorate something. But when you take the spelling B-A-N-N-E-D, band, again the pronunciation is almost the same. It means restricted, or you can say to officially prevent from doing something. Okay, when you say ate, ate is the past tense of eat, and here it means digit 8. Allowed, allowed. Flower, flower. Here you can see the phonetics, the sound of the words given here are similar, though their spelling is different and their meanings are also different. Let's take homographs now. The word homograph comes from the Greek word homo, which means same, and grapho, which means right. So homographs are the words that are written or spelled the same. That are written or spelled. That means their spellings are same. Homographs, the spelling of homograph is the same but have different meanings, and sometimes they are pronounced differently. Okay, sometimes they are pronounced differently. Now here let's take few examples. The spellings are similar but they will have different meanings and different pronunciation. When I say content, content, it means happy or satisfied. Okay, when I pronounce it in a different way, content, it means all that is contained inside something. Content, content. Next is this word. If I pronounce it as desert, it means a hot, arid region. At the same time, when I pronounce it as desert, It means to leave or to abandon. Okay. Now, let's take the third meaning with the same spelling but pronunciation are different in homographs. When I say minute, it means it's a time span of 60 seconds. But when I say minute, it means extremely small. Okay. And the next one is homonyms. Homonyms are the words which sound alike or are spelled alike, which sound alike or it could be spelled alike, but their meanings are different. Okay, let's take the first example, that is lie. Lie means to speak untruth or it's the opposite of truth. But here it could also refer to lie down. That is to be in a horizontal position or in a resting position. As you can see, the children are lying down on the ground. They lie on the ground. Next word is train. Train is a mode of transport. Okay, but in other sense, when you say to train yourself, that means to teach someone to do particular job or it could be used for mental or physical exercise. Broadly speaking, homophones and homographs can be called homonyms. Okay, you can broadly classify homophones and homonyms under the category of homonyms. Examples. When you say this ALTER, alter, to make structural change. Alter means to make structural change. But when it is spelled as ALTAR, altar, it means it's the table in the Christian church used for making offerings to God or deity. When I say ARC, arc, it is a part of a curve. But when I spell it as ARK, arc, it means a large wooden ship. When I spell WEAK, weak, it is having little physical strength or energy. But when it is spelled as WEAK, it means a time span or a period of 7 days. SUN sun, SUN sun, C, C. Now let's make comparison of all the three terms used here. Homophones, they sound the same, they have different spelling and their meanings are different. Homographs, their sound is different but their spelling is same and their meaning is different. Homonyms, their sound could be same or different. Their spellings could be same or different, but their meaning will always be different. Let's take few more examples of homonyms. COT, cot, and COAT, coat. Cot is a plain narrow bed without the mattress, without the bedding. When the physical structure of bed is there, that is your cot. When you say cot, this is a thing that you wear over your dress. Cost. It is the estimated price of any object you need to buy. And cost or coastal area, this is the part of the land near the sea. When you say toast, TOSSED, it means throw lightly or casually. But when you say TOAST, toast, it means grilled bread. Got means to receive something. I got a gift from my friend. To receive something is got. But when you say GOAT, got, it is a mammal. Rot means decay by the action of bacteria and fungi. You can pronounce FUNGI, fungi, as fungi or fungi. Next is rot. As you can see here, the child sitting and cramming things. Rot means mechanical or habitual repetition of something to be learned. Blot. It's a dark mark or stain made by ink, paint or dirt, etc. And when you say B-L-O-A-T, blot, it means to make or swell with fluid or gas. Okay, swollen with fluid or gas. As you can see, this fish is totally swollen, maybe by with water. Next is knot. Tying something by making loop by a string. This is the knot. And next is note. Writing down points or ideas for your future reference. I hope this clears your terms, homonyms, homophones and homographs. Thank you.